back. I started recording. We continue solving chapter 12, review. We finished page 233. I'd like to go to page 235, please, girls. 235. Grade 11, are you here? Grade 11. Girls?
Yes, teacher, we are
Yes,
here.
no one replies me. Open page 235.
Okay.
Do you see the book, girls, or not?
Miss, you're lagging.
I lag. Can you hear now?
No, your voice, I don't know, like you're in a cave.
So can you see the PowerPoint?
You're sharing
Yes,
a
I can
PowerPoint
see
or
the
the
book.
book?
The book, dear. The book.
Yes, we can see it.
Yes, we can see page 234.
Okay. Can you start 235 from your book?
Okay.
Okay, number 1.
Do I start?
Yes, start, Dima. It was your turn, dear.
I solve it.
Yes, start, Dima. Start, number 1.
One of the fascinatingest ways in which animals communicate is through pheromones. We'll change fascinatingest into one of the most fascinating ways.
Excellent, Dima. Okay, number 2, we go to Ghala, Harir, Huda.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Number
Yes,
1.
Harir. So Harir first and then Huda.
Okay.
Number 2, ya Harir.
Number 2. A pheromone is one of the best ways.
Excellent, excellent, dear. 3, Huda.
Yes, miss. Pheromones are one of nature's more intriguing class of chemicals. Most?
Number 3. Yes, it will be what?
Most?
Ah, you are number 2 or 3? 3,
without
right?
more, nature's most intriguing class.
Or one of nature's more intriguing class of chemicals. It's correct, Yehud. So go to number 4, Yehud. Go to 4.
Okay. In animals, the sense of smell is often the more higher. لا هون غلط. The higher.
Excellent, the higher.
Yes.
But higher is when I compare between another thing with another thing. Here I'm saying one to many. When I say one to many.
Highest?
Yes.
Yes.
The highest. But here I'm not saying it is highest, it is high developed. Yani it is an adverb. Developed. So it will be most high.
Yeah,
Here is it. Yes, look at it. Here. Here. Most highly. The most highly. Why it is highly? Because it's an adverb. So in animals, the sense of smell is often the most highly developed sense.
Yes. Okay.
But why can't we say highest?
What?
Why can't we say highest?
Because it's an adverb. The highest will be adjective. The highest sense. But here adverb to modify developed. And developed is adjective.
Teacher, I can't see your screen. It's white.
طب sign in يعني log out and then log in again. Other girls, can you see it?
Yes. I can see it.
Okay. So, number, now it's whose turn? Judy, right?
Yes, it's my turn.
Yes. 5.
Animals can sense wind-borne pheromones from a further distance away. Further,
It will be what? Huh?
further,
Farther?
yes.
Animals can sense wind-borne pheromones from a farther distance away.
It's
You
correct.
are comparing what to what?
Yes, it's furthest is correct.
The farthest you compare what to many? Where are the many?
It's comparing distances.
Mm.
And they can sense, they
So
can.
there is no comparison there.
So we say far distance away.
Yes. Far, yes, only far, because I'm not comparing. The problem is when I show it, it comes after it shows. I will show you again. When we answer 6. 6 is for Layal, Leah, Lin Matar.
Yes, teacher. Number 7.
Teacher, 7 or 6?
Okay, 6, sorry.
A bee sting that releases pheromone causes more aggressive behavior in nearby bees. Teacher, it's not more aggressive, it's only aggressive.
Only aggressive, excellent dear. Only aggressive. It is like the previous one here. It is just from afar, more aggressive, not more aggressiver. Okay, number 7. Lin Al-Haj.
Yes, teacher. A bee strings odor most oftenest incits other bees to string in the same place. It will be most often. We will cancel the EST.
Excellent. Number 8, Linda.
Yes. A bombardier beetle's pheromone is least likely to cause harm than to attract a potential mate. Isn't it correct?
It is than. Comparing between two things when there is than.
Is less?
Yes, is less. Excellent. 9. Lujain.
Yes. A skunk's pheromone spray is the less pleasant smell to me. So a skunk's pheromone produced spray is the least pleasant smell.
Least, excellent dear. After Lujain, Marie Muhammad, Malak Al-Haj.
Yes, miss. Chemists believe the pheromones are the more better way to protect crops than artificial pesticides. More better will be best.
Are the best way to protect crops than. Here I have artificial pesticides, so I have two things to compare. Than. So EST will not be good, or best will not be good. To compare two things.
It will be most.
No, not most. Compare two things. This is better than this. The more better. Can I say more better?
No.
A better way. Only eliminate the more. Okay, Malak? Eliminate the more. Okay, Malika? Malika,
Yes,
we go to
miss.
the double negative, number 1.
Okay. Tony had not hardly done anything unusual when his hard drive crashed. Tony had hardly done anything. It's correct.
Yes. hadn't hardly. Hadn't hardly.
Had. We'll make
Yes,
had.
why? Why I can say hadn't hardly?
Because it will be two negatives hardly and hadn't.
It is hadn't hardly is too negative. I cannot use double negative.
Yes, so we'll
So
say had.
either to eliminate hadn't, not, or remove hardly. Okay. So Tony hardly or Tony hadn't done. Number 2.
Miss, did you call me?
Who?
Maryam Muhammad.
Now it's your turn, dear.
Okay.
Okay, dear.
Yes, it's number. Which number is it? 2.
3. Yes, 2.
Couldn't nobody nowhere figure out how to fix this computer? We can say couldn't anybody anywhere figure out how to fix this computer?
Couldn't anybody anywhere. Excellent, yeah, Mariam. Couldn't anybody anywhere. Because couldn't nobody nowhere, negative, negative, negative. Excellent, yeah, Mariam. Number 3, Maya.
Yes. Marcia, who is better than anyone with computers, fixed it. Marcia, who is more better? No.
Who is better than anyone with computers, fixed it. Better than anyone with computers here. Again, we are comparing two things and she is one with computers. When I compare two things, when I say she is taller than any girl in her class, she is a girl in her class. So I have to say taller than any other girl in her class. So here I should add other or else.
Okay, so it will be who is better than else, Miss.
Yes, how will you say it?
Marcia, who is better than anyone else with computers.
Excellent. Than anyone else with computers fixed it. Excellent, dear. Number 4, Nirvana.
Yes, Miss. Number 4. In animals, the sense of smell is often the more higher developed sense. Exercise B. Okay, sorry. Marcia hasn't never been stumped by a computer problem. It will be hasn't ever.
Okay, hasn't ever. Number 5, Nancy.
Yes, Miss. I told you I
Yes.
don't have my book.
Okay, Nancy, sorry. Noor Kamal.
Yes, Miss. Her computer was more old than mine. Her computer was older than mine.
Yes, was older than mine. We go to question number 6. Ragad, Mariam Shaghdali, Sarah. Sireen, Ragad, Mariam Shaghdali, Sarah, Sireen.
Yes, teacher.
Sireen 6.
Tony couldn't find no internet site to diagnose this problem. Tony couldn't find internet site to diagnose his problem.
Yes, or we can make no to any. We move no to any. Excellent. Number 7, Serena.
Yes, teacher. Number 7. Correct.
Number 7. Read it.
No. Marika suggested a library site, saying, "Well, maybe I'm lost interested, and more interested."
Excellent. I am more interested in libraries than you. So I like libraries, Mona. I like you. How can I fix it?
More interested than in libraries than maybe homes.
Than you are, or than homes. Okay. Any object. Excellent, dear. 8. After Serena, we have Sham Hassan, Sham Mazen, Tia, Waad, Budur. وعد Tia?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes,
وعد.
ma'am.
8.
Miss number 7.
8.
He tried more harder to find more better information through the site. He tried
More
harder.
Excellent. So eliminate more. Eliminate
Yes.
more.
To find
Oh.
better information.
Excellent, dear. We go to number 9. We choose Lujain. 9.
Miss, yeah, I told you her mic doesn't work.
Yes, you told me. 9, Lujain.
Yes, the library had none of the information. Didn't have any of the information.
Excellent. Didn't have any of the information. Number 10, Maya.
Yes, miss.
Read it.
Then Marcia chose a different database and found an article more better than anything Tony could find. Miss, I don't know. Better, maybe?
Yeah. Can you say more better, ya Maya?
No. So it will be
eliminate
better.
more. Remove more.
Okay.
Here. I can say more better. So move more.
Teacher, ما بنقدر نقول most.
Than. I have than. Comparing between two things.
Yes, yes.
Okay, girls?
Okay.
So I'll stop recording. Before I stop recording, all the chapter, I will send it to you on WhatsApp now. The chapter, all the chapter with the answers in case you missed any question.
Miss?
Yes, dear.